Seth,
Here we
what's
are.
going on?
Not a whole lot, just busting the calls out.
All right, so I'm gonna start with you, my man. What is Seth's favorite tool?
Probably gonna have to be the old voltmeter.
Ooh, the voltmeter. Why?
So wouldn't be able to make it service without it.
Oh.
Kind of helps you figure out all the problems and definitely makes it easier to troubleshoot stuff.
Man, that is awesome. Thank you. Can we get a good look at it?
Oh, take you a peek.
What do you call that? What, you got a nickname for him?
Multimeter.
Not
Not really a nickname, just a field piece, I guess.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir.